This is Brahma chicken,
Yes.
very exotic chicken. If you see this cock, this is the champion of Kenya. Last time in Nairobi show, it got the champion's trophy. And you can see how beautiful it looks. It's got 4 colors: dark brown, cream, gray, black. This is my main breeder, champion breeder. It weighs up to 8 kilos now.
Wow.
Come in. Guys, this is Brahma chicken, BSO. And you can see how heavy it is.
What does that mean, BSO?
I think it's blue, silver, orange, I don't know. That's
okay.
what it's called.
Okay.
And it's a huge egg. Last year it won the Champions Trophy in show.
Yes.
And I've got kids from this BSO.
Yes.
I'm not selling immediately. And this beautiful chicken, it weighs around 7 to 8 kilos now.
Wow.
And this is not for slaughter. This is got its own followers. Beautiful. And if you know about this chicken, there's a family which there are some Shabikia Kuku,
Yes.
Brahma chicken. They originate. They are in Colombia, they are in India, they are in America, they are in Europe. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Look where it reaches.
You've got hens too.
Come here. Come in. These are the chicks. You get it from the hatchery. These are Brahma chicks. We wait it for 1 month, then we release it. And these were just newly born, the medium size, and this thing. So, anybody who needs to order it, there'll be a time, I think, we'll take orders because I was breeding them.
Yes.
And they come out beautiful.
Yes.
These are very exotic chicken. These are not the normal chicken.
Interesting.
Guys, this is puff. This is also Brahma chicken. It is brown in color. It's called puff. And these are, they're different species. There's brown, BFO, and there's Colombian. And this chicken is also heavy. If you feel it, it's around 6 to 7 kilos. And beautiful chicken. So those who need Brahma chicken, they can call me on 0722 513 663. I'm going to give you the kid for it. You can see how huge it is from the leg. It's like it's wearing socks. See, beautiful chicken. This come from, you get it from all over. I mean, not in Africa. We imported them. And you can see how beautiful it is.
Wow.
Okay, Mr. Go. Go.
Has no fear.
Yeah, these are tame chicken.
It's
These
more
are
of a
white
pet.
Colombian.
Yes.
White Colombian chicken. You can see the females are so healthy. They look. All this yogos, I kept them separately because I don't want interbreeding. They are all born on this farm. These are all yogos, and you can see how big they are. So anybody who needs yogos or even the small ones, they can contact me, and then we can organize how to. Look at this beautiful colors. Get me the white Colombian. Kuliah aku bawa ni white. This is a beautiful color. If you see, it's a white Colombian. This is born at my farm, and you can see this. This is still young. It is around 14 months old, and you can see when it grows. So anybody who wants this Colombian or BSO or this Brahma chicken can contact me on 0722 513 663. These are these animals are very friendly animals. They don't run away. Just look at it. So leave it. Look at it. They'll walk graciously. Look at the size of the chicken. Look at this brown. Beautiful color. This brown, I think, is going to be the next champion in this year's show. Look at the chest. Look at the legs. Look at the height. Beautiful color. Brown. This is going to be the next champion in this year's show. You can feel it heavy, and you can see it's got a beautiful color. It's got orange and like a little bit yellowish and a gray and some white here and gray. It's puff actually. So this breed also, this Dume is available. Look at the chest. Look at how big it is. Look at the legs. So guys, this is a young, it's a 15-month-old. I don't think it's even reached 15 months. But you see this hair and it's so domestic animal. You feel good even if I come there, they are near me when I give it food. This is a beautiful yogo. Brahma, it's called Brahma Chicken. So nowadays Brahma Chicken is in Kajiado County, Selengei, at Sumra's farm called Meat Master Livestock Producers, Kenya Limited. Those who want this thing is 0722 513 663. I've even got the young kids to give you in case you can't afford this yogo. These are exotic birds. Mind well, these are not birds to slaughter. Look at it. It will go graciously. Look at it. He doesn't fear. Guys, this is another breed of chicken. It's called Coochie, and you see how tall they are. They are mainly found in the areas like Zanzibar, Lamu, but in India and Pakistan they call it asil. This is another breed. These are used as fighter cocks, and Coochie is a very different breed. Very tall, very handsome, very. This is not for slaughter, guys. This is for people who love to keep different types of jogos, and they are very tall, by the way. And the features are different from the normal Kenyaji Coochie. They walk tall. So this Coochie, guys, you can find it in Kajiado County, Selengei area at the farm of Sumra's farm Meat Masters. Livestock Producers Kenya Limited. Those who want it, they can contact me on 0722 513 663.
Great.
What ini hizo tu. Ingine umegawanya. Okay, these are the females which have just been born. I'm waiting for its time to be given to be bred. And look at how white these white Colombian females are. Some are the turkeys here, and these are the females which I'm growing it up. Then we breed it. So even if you're interested in the females, I will sell a 1 month old bird. And once I'm ready for the breeding, the females and the males will be sold.
Okay.